Hey guys, welcome back to a new tutorial video. In this video I will show you how to edit Iceland filter on your image using Lightroom Mobile and your videos using Premiere Pro. There are some example photos before and after using this filter. So guys, without wasting your time, let's jump to the tutorial. First go to Light. Bring the exposure minus 0.64. Bring the contrast plus 27. Highlights plus 32. Shadows minus 67. Whites minus 23. Blacks plus 63. Go to Curve. Follow these settings. And go to Color. Bring the temp minus 9. Bring the tint minus 7. Vibrance plus 44. Saturation minus 13. Go to Color Mix. First go to Red Color and bring the hue plus 9. Luminance plus 12. Next go to Yellow. Bring the hue minus 39. Saturation minus 19. Next go to Green. Bring the hue minus 44. Saturation minus 32. Luminance plus 20. Go to Sky Blue. Bring the hue plus 53. Saturation minus 23. Luminance plus 34. Next go to Blue. Bring the hue minus 38. Saturation plus 13. Luminance plus 26. Go to Purple. Bring the hue plus 12. Saturation minus 36. And done. Next go to Effects. Bring the Clarity plus 5. Dehiz plus 7. Go to Split Tone and bring the hue to 179 and saturation plus 13 for highlights. And bring the hue to 313 and saturation 8 for shadows. And done. Now your pic is ready to upload. Now let's try to copy this preset and pass to another picture. Copy settings and paste it. If you like this preset, you can also download this preset from the description. And thanks for watching this video. Like, share and subscribe. I Snap for more photography tutorial. See you next time. Have a great day.